All right, guys, what is up? It is Travis. I am getting a lot of uh, traction out of the sweatshirt today on the stream situation. I had a stream earlier today. I have another stream today because I have to talk about something else crazy. Today has just been a crazy day. And I don't understand exactly how all this stuff has flown underneath the radar for me, but I just happened to be um, Googling some stuff, and I happened to see this video come up. Um, I had no idea, and probably, hang on, probably the mainstream media did not want this post or any of this stuff to be on the news because they probably did not want any of you guys to see this. Probably would have hurt the guy more. I don't know. Maybe it would have made him more famous. Who knows? It's hard to say in the crazy world that we live in what the damage of this would have been. But let's skip this ad here. You don't need to see an ad. Um, do you see this guy? Look at this. How many of you guys knew that this guy was on the show? I mean, seriously, I follow all this stuff, and I had no idea that this guy was on this show at all. I mean, I had to do a lot of digging to get to the point where I actually found out about this. But it's crazy. I'm gonna blow this up a little bit because so you guys can see this a little bit better. It's crazy to me to think that this dude was on this show. He was in there for 9 tasks, and I never watched the show or anything like that, so I'm not an expert on this show. But it is crazy that he was on this show. I mean, he was also on there with Khloe Kardashian, Dennis Rodman, Tom Green. I mean, I'm surprised that more of these people are not like running for Senate or also in some kind of like crazy situation. But so, anyways, crazy story is you can Google a lot of stuff. Um, you know, you can look up these people's names, um, and you can look up like the show, but if you actually try to look up videos of him on the show, you will find like this video. This video is probably one of the only videos that is on the mainstream web. And I know I'm Bing right now. I'm really showing you guys how loyal I am to my Microsoft daddies. Let's just do it on YouTube here on Google, aka YouTube. I mean, there is like nothing. And then you try to look at the episodes. I was trying to find the episodes. The episodes are nowhere on the internet. So I don't know when this happened, if this was during the last presidency or what. I finally find the episodes, and it's like I have no idea what's in these episodes yet. I'm looking forward to seeing them and seeing what they were specifically hiding that was going on in here. But there he is. There's Herschel. He was on the season, and I again did not watch this show, but this is why they handpicked this dude. It had nothing, 0% to do with any qualifications for this office or anything else like that. They solely and wholly picked this dude because he was on this TV show. And if that's not crazy to you, there he is right there, the man himself. I mean, Andrew Dice Clay comes second, comes second to Herschel Walker on this Apprentice show. And where are the episodes? I had to go to this site to find these episodes, but why? Why was this not on the media? Like, why did they not talk about this guy? I mean, this is crazy to me. So I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna show you guys like the best hits that I can find from this show, but we're gonna check it out and stay tuned for more on this whole saga that I don't know if you've ever heard about it. So we'll keep you in the loop, guys.